Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a while, I haven't posted anything. I got a couple Mustangs after the one you saw. Well, after the one I got this. Oh, hold on guys, there's a lot of wind coming in. Sorry about the wind, I haven't bought the microphone yet, but here's the new Mustang I got. It's a 2003 Mustang GT, 5-speed. I wanted to find it super clean, and I got lucky. I found one. I paid a little extra for getting it clean, but you don't find this too often anymore. I got condensation on my headlight. I gotta change that. It's got some American racing wheels, which I don't like. I have to change that. But as you can see, the car is very clean. It's got the Cobra wing that I have to remove as well, because I cannot stand it. But in order to remove it, I gotta find a new trunk, because whoever installed this put a lot of new holes in the trunk, so it won't look good anymore. Let me show you inside. Very clean car. It's got 60,000 original miles, 3 owners in the Carfax. You know guys, I had like 9 Mustangs, as you can tell in my channel. Well, some of the Mustangs are not on my channel, but I had like 9 Mustangs, and I definitely decided I'm going to stick with the new Edge platform. It's really my favorite chassis, the way it feels and how it takes the power. I just love this, the way they look and also how I feel. I had the 19, I had the 18 performance pack, but they're just too, they feel like a fast sedan. You don't feel like a muscle car feeling. There you go guys, very clean looking. Let's pop the hood now for you guys, because I got a little surprise. There's a surprise guys. It's got a Vortech Supercharger on it, centrifugal supercharger. It's a V2 SI from Vortech, non-intercool. And I just had it tuned on dyno, and it's doing 400 foot-pound of torque and 380 horsepower to the wheels. It's pretty fun for 3,300 pounds, something like that. I have to weigh it, but there she is. Stay tuned for some videos. Gonna do some always the fun drives that I do with the cars. I gotta do one of those. And I still haven't raced anything, so I can't compare, but it's pretty fun. It just spins first and second, and it's got suspension. It's got full suspension done, and also it's got the Nidos NT 555, which are not bad tires. But anyway guys, let me know what you want to see, and hope you like the new car for the channel. Here's another view of the Vortech back. Alright guys, in the same video I'm gonna give you a cold start. I haven't done one myself, so let me set up the camera and get a cold start. Guys, there you have it, new Mustang. Hope you enjoy this video. Stick around, subscribe if you haven't done so. I'll be trying to make more videos. and let me know in the comments what you think. Thanks, guys.